All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Chevy Express 12-passenger wagon with 2,000 miles, white with gray cloth interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got power windows, power door locks, backup camera. Super nice, and best of all, only 2,000 miles on this vehicle. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. I do see a little dent here, about 2 to 3 inches right there. This fender looks pretty nice. It's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Tire thread over 11-30 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good up until here. There's a dent here, about 4 inches here. And then there's another dent here on this corner here. I say 10 or more, no paint. Well, some paint off. I see it there. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's about it. Here's your rear driver's rim or steel wheel. Your tire thread is over 11-30 seconds as well. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with 1 key and 1 key fob and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. It's your AM/FM CD player, Onyx and all that good AM/FM stereo system, no CD player. Alright, get your AC controls right above that. Steering controls here for your cruise control. This is what your backup camera looks like. You got rear AC controls. That's what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 2,732. Pretty much completes the tour. Rear AC vents and stuff like that. Turn on the lights. Keep it moving. Rear bumper looks good. And rear here, these doors do swing out. Because this is what one of your sides looks like. Boom, very nice. But one of your doors looks like some dirt there. Very nice as well. Likewise here, very good. Door paneling and stuff. Quarter on this side looks good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread over 12-30 seconds. These doors look good. Well, here's what your side compartment looks like. Here's your front passenger. Your first row, second row, and third row. All of them, no holes, no tears, no rips. You got AC vents and AC controls back here too. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender, front passenger steel wheel. And tire thread is over 12-30 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Chevy Express cargo van. I'm sorry, not cargo van, 12-passenger wagon with 2,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.